right, you guys, we are still in Brazil. We are gonna go and see the most famous statue in Brazil. Well, we're gonna see it after we make it. What is that statue, Miss Rachel?
It is called Christ the Redeemer.
Okay. It is high on top of a mountain in the middle of Rio
De Janeiro.
Thank you.
Yes, Rio de Janeiro. Yep, that's the name of the city.
So this one is kind of quick. We have 2 scenes on this day. Okay, so we're gonna make one. This will be really quick, and then we'll make the other. All right. So very first thing is, I think it was on day 1. Miss Rachel was going over it and telling you that Christ the Redeemer stands way high on top of a mountain, and on one side is the city, and the other side is the water. Okay, with a bunch of islands in it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna glue our Christ the Redeemer statue to the very, 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 very top of the mountain.
This high, high mountain. Yep.
Oh, he's kind of looking over. Okay. All right. Then this mountain is going to go onto your kick out. Do you see where we're going here?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So lay it down. Put glue just on that kick out. Do not seal it shut because we're going to prop it back up. Okay. And once you glue it just to that front piece, it should stand up. Okay. And if you were paying attention on Monday, the very first day, we showed pictures and it had all these islands kind of around. So you can glue on your islands into the water. You obviously do not want to glue them into the sky because that would not look right.
Nope.
Okay, so anywhere you want. This is part of our Brazilian scene. How tall is Christ the Redeemer statue?
It is 90 feet. Is that what
98.
98 feet. Yes, 98 feet. Yes, specifically, which is pretty tall.
It is
a pretty tall statue. So,
okay. One last thing. Of course, you know, I have to have some clouds, just a little bit. So
Yeah.
just pull off whatever you want.
Get some nice fluffy clouds going.
Nice fluffy clouds. Might have to lay it down just a little bit. Just wherever you want. And then once you pull it thin, it should look like nice fluffy clouds. Put this one down low. Let me get one right behind you. And you can put as much as or as little as you want. I think I'm just gonna go with that. What do you think?
Oh, that's cool. That's
You like
cool.
that?
Yes.
All right. So if you can't go there in person, we'll just reconstruct it here.
That's right. That's
All right. So that was just part of it. All right. The other thing that Brazil is very famous for, well, many things, because
We got Carnival, we got the rainforest, we've got it all. Brazil is just an amazing place. But
here in America, football is football.
that's right, with helmets and
With your hand.
Yep.
Doesn't make sense.
Makes no sense.
Football is soccer. Soccer is football.
That's right.
Football. So, we're going to make a football field.
Love it. Love it. Love
I'm
it.
so excited. All right. It took me a minute to get this right, but I love the way it looks. All right. Dump out everything. Kind of move. Still have the clouds on me. Kind of move everything to the side. We are going to use our dark green piece of paper. It is going to go longwise, which makes it a rectangle. What do these look like?
Those are goals. Soccer
They are
goals.
goals.
Football goals.
Football.
Yes.
All right. So, your goal is to create a football field. Okay? most of them have these nice designs on them. So let's start with that. Space them out. Boop.
Yep.
Give it some glue. Lay them on. Can you see how this is going to come together, Miss Rachel?
This is going to be awesome.
I didn't
so
tell Miss
excited.
Rachel what I was making, so.
This is a surprise for me. This is just so great. Honestly, it's amazing.
Miss Chrissy likes to dream a lot and then wake up and go, oh, we could do this. All right. So, all right. So take your white pieces. And try to create a soccer field. All right. You can glue it down once you lay it out. See that coming together, don't you?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Super cute. All right. That would be what it kind of looks like. And then we'll put our goals underneath. But for the time being, lay it out and then glue it down. We were working on B is for Brazil, right?
Yes.
Look.
Oh,
I just
look,
saw
there
it.
it is. Oh,
I
that's
just saw it in my head.
That's perfect.
Look at that.
That's perfect.
That's funny. All right. So, strip goes in the middle. Okay, so right in the middle. And then the circle is where they kind of start. So, semicircle. Did I not put enough glue on? Let's put some more. My fingers are sticky.
And there's
All
still
right.
a little bit of cloud residue on them, too.
Yeah, I know. I see that.
Kind of fuzzy.
All right, and then put the other semicircle to make a whole circle.
Is that called center field, Miss Chrissy?
It is called center field.
See, she's got kids who are athletic, and so she knows all this stuff.
All right, and then let's put this. I'm not sure what this is called. I know it's like you only can be in it, or it's a penalty box. I don't know.
The goal
But
line or something.
yeah.
Shock
The
of shot,
goalie,
yeah.
the goalie can't come out past
That white line.
this white line.
Gotcha. Yeah, shock of shock, Miss Rachel isn't the most athletic person in the world, so I'm like, I'm just going to take your word for it that you know everything about the sport. You can tell me anything.
Don't. I just like to cheer my kids. All right. Yes, I know the goalie cannot come out past this
That's
line, and I know that if you're fouled inside of it, you get a free penalty kick or something. I don't know. All right, so we got to make our goals. So fold up this middle piece, okay? And then we're going to put glue on these corners, and we're going to kind of pull it together and glue underneath. All right, so glue, glue, pull the squares together. Kind of just hold it for a second, make sure it stays. All right, and then we're gonna glue this and we're gonna put it underneath.
Those are awesome.
I love
They're
it.
so cool.
I thought you would like it. All right, so same thing, pull it up, pull it together, hold it for a second, and then like I said, you can glue and hold it down just like that. Okay, so just a little bit of glue right across the top, and then as I throw my glue, I'm gonna slide it under. That's gonna be one goal, and let's do it to the other side. Love it. All right, we have a cube. We have our soccer player. Of course, he's just waving hi like he's on the sidelines, but you know, whatever.
Do what you can, right?
Do what you can. All right. You can glue him on there. Be like, hey, hi, you want to play some football with me? You should also have a little football. Okay? You guys can play. Just I mean,
it's
this is just for fun.
But yeah,
just for fun.
Football is no joke in Brazil, though. Like,
Yeah.
it is the
So it
national
would be more
sport.
like this. So the the soccer field would be on the back half. It would not be on the water.
That's right.
But two huge deals in Brazil. So there it is. We have our football field, and we have Christ the Redeemer.
That's right.
You love it?
Love it.
Love
All
it.
about it.
All right, you guys. That is all I have for you today. Have fun playing football. Bye, you guys.